dear men, avoid sleeping with low quality women just because they are easier to get. Sexual activity is not all about physical pleasure. So the more you have sex with a low quality woman, the more you exchange energies and even spirits. So if she has a bad energy, she will transfer it to you. If she always have bad lucks, she will transfer the bad lucks to you. If she always has fragmentation in her life, she will transfer fragmentation into your life. A low quality woman is a woman who sleeps around with different types of men. So she will definitely transfer all those different types of energy that she has collected from different types of men, and this will definitely destroy you as a man. Avoid low quality women just because they are easier to get. They will definitely put you down as a man. They will definitely cause fragmentation into your life. Fragmentation is the inability to grow as a man. You will always stay stagnant. So avoid low quality women at all costs.